How to access DALL-E 3 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly telling you on how you can access DALL-E 3 in 2025. Now, if you're an old DALL-E user, you probably are wondering, why can't I use DALL-E? Now, the reason for that is because DALL-E has totally shifted and converted itself to ChatGPT. So in the case that you don't have the plus plan for ChatGPT, you will not be able to use DALL-E for yourself, okay? So get the plus plan, and to access it, all you're simply going to want to do is you're going to go to View Tools, you're going to choose Picture, and you're going to add a prompt. And once you add a prompt, it's going to generate an image for you, and this is how it's going to work. You're going to add picture. As you can see, I wrote this whole prompt, and DALL-E 3 generated me an image inside of ChatGPT. So that is basically how you can access DALL-E 3 in 2025. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.